This is Ingrid. She's 14 years old. She lives in the country of Peru in South America. Every Sabbath, Ingrid and her mama and papa head for church. Their home is on a dirt road in the village where they live. Ingrid remembers that when she was younger, only she and her mama went to church on Sabbath. Her father didn't go to church, and he didn't study the Bible. He used to drink alcohol and take drugs, and sometimes he stole things so that he would have money to buy drugs and alcohol. Ingrid wanted Papa to love God and come to church with them, so she prayed for him every day. Papa noticed how much it meant to Ingrid, so once in a while, he would visit the church to make his family happy. Before long, he stopped using drugs. It took a while, but eventually he gave his heart to Jesus. Then he wanted to tell others about Jesus too. Ingrid showed her Papa how to study the Bible. It was hard for him because he hadn't learned to read well, but as he read his Bible, his reading improved. Papa told others what Jesus had done for him, and soon he was able to give Bible studies to anyone who asked. Ingrid's Papa was the first person she led to Jesus. Since then, she started a Bible study group for her friends. Last year, Ingrid and her parents led almost 60 people to Jesus. The family has planted one church and formed 2 small groups that are studying God's Word together. Please pray for people like Ingrid's Papa, and thank you for doing your part to tell others about Jesus.